How do you add favorites on the Apple Watch? Let me talk about it. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, it depends on what you mean by the favorites. I know a lot of people who want to add their favorite photos into the Apple Watch from the iPhone. So that would work. You could set it up through the Watch app on the iPhone like that. Go through the menus, find photos, and make sure the photos syncing is turned on and green, like the toggle is enabled at the top. And also click on the album where you decide which types of photos will appear on the watch, and most likely you want to select it to be the favorites photos. So that would mean that whenever you click the heart icon on a picture in your iPhone gallery, it will automatically appear on the Apple Watch as well. You can, of course, set up some different albums too, so that is heavily, dependent on the user. So that's how you can add the favorites on the Apple Watch. When it comes to some like favorite widgets or apps or something which you want to quickly access on the watch, then it all comes down to the customization of the watch faces and the widgets. For instance, you can swipe up on the watch right here and see a couple of different widgets, and those, if you hold down on them, can be customized so you pin to the top the one that you like the most, or you can also remove the one which you don't like and bring one from the bottom which has the green plus icon. So these are the widgets. Then, of course, there is the watch face, which also has a couple of different icons, and it's called complications, where you basically choose some quick access apps or features to be always visible on the wrist, right? So if you like the apps, or if these are your favorites, for example, in my case, I really like the timer. That is like my favorite thing to do on the Apple Watch. So I added it to the watch face in the top left corner, and I can quickly access it anytime I need it. So that's what you can do as well. Let me know what you think about it below. Hit the thumbs up if you found it useful. In case of any questions, of course, use the comment section below. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.